Want to learn how to connect your Facebook and WhatsApp account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. Make sure to get both of the apps, that is Facebook and WhatsApp. And yes, get logged in to both of the apps, particular account that you want to link, or either you can get logged in later as well. Now tap on Facebook. Make sure to get logged in just like me. Now tap on the three straight parallel lines on the top right corner. Tap on your account's name below its CEO profile. Tap on Edit Public Details below CEO About Info. Scroll down. On the bottom, you can see an option of Links. Tap on Add next to Links on the right corner. Tap on Add Social Link. Tap on Select a Service. Tap on WhatsApp. Tap on Account Name and enter the particular account that you want to connect, just like this. Now tap on Save on the top right corner. You can see that just by doing it, you have successfully added WhatsApp to your Facebook account, and yes, also successfully connected to your WhatsApp account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.